I'm gonna go ahead and just put in the smoke alarm, the batteries in these smoke detectors today. So make sure it's on right. Let's replace them and see how it works. So I'll start off with this one. Get the battery pack. Good stuff. Alright. We got the 4-pack batteries. I'll dump them out. We'll be replacing them. We'll be replacing those with those 2 batteries, of course. See if this battery will fit in here. Of course, that one's gonna work. Okay. There's another one. Put that in. Alright. Everything's good. Just give them a test. See, I'm giving those things a test to make sure. To make sure everything's working. And then test out this guy. Alright. That's how you replace smoke alarms. Replacing those batteries on those. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment and subscribe.